So guys, first come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then click to search button and then type your model number of motherboard B760 DS3H Wi-Fi 6E generations 5, then hit enter. Then guys, click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then select your operating system. I am using Windows 11, so if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and install driver because installations process same. Okay, LAN driver. So it is LAN driver. Click to download here. After automatically start here. Okay, one process and just open it. Double click to exe and then yes. This is LAN driver installing. Wait few seconds, it will complete. After that you close automatically. Then closed.